As fellow homeowners, we know your roof can represent a significant and important home investment that deserves only the best. Thanks for considering an Owens Corning roofing system. The combination of the Owens Corning brand and the Platinum Preferred contractor you're working with can deliver a material difference for your home and peace of mind for your family. Our network represents an exclusive group of top roofers, each of whom meet our strict eligibility requirements. We're proud of the products we make and the professionals who install them. And when your neighbors, friends, and family see a brand new roof on your home, we want you to be proud too.
Hi, I'm Steve McCusker,
And I'm Nancy McCusker.
owner and partners of Roof One, based in Pontiac, Michigan. For more than 17 years, we offer roof replacement, roof inspections, roof repair service, and attic insulation. As an Owens Corning Platinum Preferred contractor, we're proud of our status and the brand we help represent. We believe that choosing the right contractor is as important as choosing the right shingle.
So why should you choose us? Roof One is a full-service, family-owned company that takes great pride in our excellent customer service and our outstanding quality of workmanship. Please visit us at roofone.com to learn more.